Hi, this is PR Sundar. I promised you to show my profit loss statement of my son's company every month. In the first month, I made a profit of 66 lakh rupees. That was the fantastic profit. I think the capital was only around 95 lakh rupees. The second month, I made 10 lakh rupees profit. So for both the months, April and May put together, the total profit was 76 lakh. So if you have not seen that video, you can watch it here, how I made 76 lakh rupees profit in 2 months. But what about June? The June month was a very volatile month, and Nifty started around 9,500, shot up to 10,350, again came back to 9,500, again went to 10,550. So it was such a huge volatile month, and I did not make any profit. In fact, I made some losses. How much loss I made? I'm going to show you. I'm going to click show global P&L report, derivatives, and from this day to I need to show you until the end of June series. So the June series was 25th June. I'm showing 25th June. I'm clicking yes. You can see this is notional is the one which is showing the profit, and the profit is showing only 74.8 lakh rupees. Last month, the profit was 76 lakh rupees. Now it is only 74.8 lakh rupees. So which means that I have lost 1.2 lakh rupees. So it is not that we always make profit. Last month, the market was hugely volatile, and that is how I lost 1.2 lakh rupees. But in fact, if I have avoided 1 or 2 trades, which were high risk trades, I would have ended up in some minor profit. If not very big profit, I would have ended it in minor profit. And I'm going to show you what are those high risk trades I've taken and how much I lost. So the net loss is 1.2 lakh rupees, and I will export this data to Excel. For one or the other reason, I have done a trade in State Bank of India. So this is the State Bank of India trade I have done. And you can see I've done 2 trades. In one trade, I made a profit of 1.83 lakhs. And in another trade, I made a loss of 3.62 lakhs. So in this SBI trade alone, I lost about 2 lakh rupees. You can see there are no more SBI. This is all Nifty, and this is all like GST. So I've shown you one trade, State Bank of India trade, where I lost 2 lakh rupees, and another trade which was on 18th of June, which was a weekly expiry. I thought Nifty will not cross 10,000, and I sold 10,000 call option in huge quantities, but the market shot up, so I had to put a stop loss at around 23 rupees. You can see I sold it around 4 rupees, and I had to exit at 23 rupees, and there was a loss of 2,82,000. So the one expiry date trade has gone wrong, where I lost 2.8 lakh rupees. One State Bank of India trade has gone wrong, I lost 2 lakh rupees. A total of 4.8 lakh rupees I lost. If I have not done these 2 losses, then actually I would have ended up with a profit of 3.6 lakh rupees. For a capital of 1 crore, 3.6 lakh rupees is still a decent profit. But though I did not make a profit, still overall at the portfolio level, for a capital of 95 lakh rupees, I'm still sitting with close to 75 lakh rupees profit. I'm hoping this month I'll be doing better. So this account, I promised you to show every month after the expiry, and I kept my promise, and I will continue to keep my promise at least for 1 year. Thank you.